You want to look down?
Not too many cars we see is down.
Hi everyone. This is Angie and Felix again. We're gonna explore the old Roosevelt subway. If you like our videos, please subscribe and like. So we walked through the little bridge, but it's only an outing. So I guess they really did cut it down because this was supposed to be like 3 miles long. Short, only distance.
Somebody here?
I know what you mean. So I think right now we should be about to be under the street, right? Walking through a passage here. Looks like people stay down here from time to time. Looks empty right now. Like I said, looks. Oh wow. This is an old electric room. It's flooded. But I think those are live wires. So we're not gonna step in there. People definitely hang out in here. They got a little walkway. So then I gotta... We're at the old Roosevelt Boulevard subway. This actually was never a functioning subway.